Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Mike, the Mortgage Jedi, a licensed mortgage lender for the past 15 years. I talk about all things mortgage related, so if you want to stay informed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss an update. All right, so we are going to be talking about something super important that not enough people are paying attention to when they're thinking about buying a house. We're going to talk about 3 key parts of your total monthly mortgage payment that can make or break your budget. Trust me, you don't want to overlook these. They're highly overlooked when looking at homes. So the first thing people aren't paying attention to but should is homeowners insurance. Everyone loves to play around with those online mortgage calculators, right? Obsessing over interest rates down to the nickel. What can I afford? What can I not? This is too high. But guess what? Homeowners insurance is a massive factor that many ignore, and it can vary wildly depending on where you live. Homeowners insurance is going crazy across the country right now. Even if you're in a state with minimal drama, you're still paying for all those other states that have it. And don't think just because your current policy is low, the next one will be too. When you're budgeting for a house, you have to factor this in, and it's often a deal breaker. So here's my advice. When you're in the early stages of house hunting, even if you're not ready to make an offer yet, call an insurance company and get a quote. Find out what it's like to get that homeowner's insurance estimate, because you don't want any surprises when you're already in love with a house. So the next thing that we're going to be talking about, number 2, property taxes. So this one catches a lot of people off guard. As a lender licensed for the past 15 years, I see it all the time. You might be moving from a state with low property taxes and find yourself shocked when you see the rates in your new area. Property taxes vary dramatically by state. Even within the state, you can see big differences from like one county to the next. This isn't just a minor detail. It can seriously impact your monthly mortgage payment and your pre-approval. If your taxes are higher than expected, you might not even qualify for the loan you thought you could. I mean, how devastating would that be? So do your homework. Check out the county property tax assessor's website, talk to your real estate agent, and get a clear understanding of what to expect. This is really adulting 101, guys. You need to know what you're signing up for, and you need to know these numbers. Part 3, HOA dues, especially for condos. Finally, let's talk about HOA dues. If you're buying a condo, this is crucial. Single-family homes might have a lower risk here, but they also do have HOAs. But condos, well, that's where things can get really tricky because they could be higher there. HOA dues can start low, but they can skyrocket if the building needs major repairs, if new regulations come into play. Imagine budgeting for a $250 a month HOA, and then suddenly it's like $600. Just like that, you're priced out of your home, especially in a pre-approval. So remember, homeowners insurance, property taxes, and HOA dues. These 3 factors are just as important as your principal and interest payments when you're budgeting for a home. If you're not paying attention to them, you could be setting yourself up for financial disaster. And remember, these all should be disclosed when you're getting a pre-approval. So these are things that lenders and real estate agents aren't really talking about, but need to know them if you want to keep your home for the long haul. So if you have any questions about anything else mortgage related, drop them in the comments or send me a message. I'm here to help you navigate, the mortgage world with confidence. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who might feel it helpful. Take care.